Right then, ladies and gents, we're at the first location, and what can I say? I am shocked. I'm not too sure anybody lives on that place there, but if they do, bloody cold. So I was given this location by a follower on YouTube. One second, let me just try and get my bearings. What we do is go to the top, and we walk our way down, make our way down. Looks like a very old scrapyard. Look at that old Volvo. Yeah, it's just an old scrapyard. Peugeot 106, 306, another 306. This looks very well trodden. Look all the Pajeros. Oh, they're Shoguns actually. This place is immense. So yeah, like I said, I was given this location and a couple of other locations that hopefully we're going to look at today by a good friend of mine, goes by the name John. So mate, you're a legend. Thank you very much. This location is just kind of like all new stuff, do you know what I mean? I mean, this Golf here, FSO, this is not that old, that's not really. Quite a lot of Clios here. Ford Mondeo. Old escort van. On 5 Series. Now locations like this, ladies and gents, you can't really just look at one vehicle, like go through them all and look at all the vehicles. You can't do that. If there's anything half decent, I'll just have a quick look at it, but yeah, it's kind of rough, this place is. Triumph there, look. Yeah, it's just basically all new stuff. Yeah. Suzuki. MR2 Mark III. Got lost in Montego up there, look. Yeah. Oh, escort cab there, look. Yeah, it's yeah, it's worth a little visit. Certainly not worth the 2 hours and 20-minute drive, but it certainly looked good from the maps. Little Polo. Of course, it looks like it's been there a long time, doesn't it? Look at that. That's been there for years, that has. I'm saying that, that's been outside and then been brought in here. Nice little Peugeot 106. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going near that house. I mean, it's got no windows in it, but people live in weird situations and weird buildings. I've come across a few abandoned buildings with no windows in, half the roof missing, yet they still live in there, forced into one corner of the house. Look at this, there's Amiga. 2.5 V6. I've driven one of those. They go like you wouldn't believe, they're fucking rapid. Right then, we're going to try and find something else to look at. We have got several locations to go to. Quite a lot of you probably saying, oh, look at that, look at this, oh look at that, look at that. The thing is with that, ladies and gents, is if I keep going to every single car, it'll just take forever, do you know what I mean? Don't get me wrong, there was some right little gems there. So we had a quick walk around, we've seen what was there, and then we're going to find another location to look at. Hey buddy, you alright? Right, ladies and gents, we're going to the third location now. Got to the second location. I'm driving past, and the first thing I notice, Mitsubishi Evolution parked outside, completely covered with crap. Been left there for a long time, many years. It's been abandoned there. Obviously, it's owned by the chap who caught me, but he's abandoned it. You don't give a crap about it, which pisses me off. So I do like 2 or 3 drive-bys, and then I park up, get in the car, start walking through the woods, go to the back of the place, and the bloke's there working on an old tractor. I kid you not. He's there working in the middle of these bushes where everything's overgrown, surrounded by classic cars, and he's working on a tractor. I said to him, he goes, hello, can I help you? I'm like, shit. The first thing that I noticed was a Sierra XR 4x4, completely a nice blue one, completely covered in just overgrown foliage and just like abandoned. And then there was several other cars. I'm pretty sure it's a Mark 1 Fiesta. I put the picture up now of the Evolution outside the garage, and I got caught, ladies and gents, and I am so gutted because that would have been one hell of a cool location to record, basically. Big fat bus, ladies and gents. Most of the cars are gone and it's an active farm, so we stay clear of farms, well, especially active ones. Not my cup of tea, certainly not my MO. Right then, let's go to the fourth location. See, when I do these types of long distance travel, like for these locations, there's a car park next to my car and someone stood there. Fuck's sake, here we go. So we're at the fourth location, but it's abandoned. Well, it looks abandoned. There's lots of vehicles here, but nothing really interesting. But there's somebody whizzing around on like a little, I don't know whether it's they're whizzing around on a motorbike or it's a bloody chainsaw or something. So we've got one cabbie there, an old LDV van. Look at this poor thing. No way. That's a shame. 1.8. No way. We've got the old MGB here, look. Got a series there. Range Rover, Land Rover, Vectra over there. One of old tractors here I thought I'd have a quick look at. An old Ferguson Massey there, got this old girl here. I mean, over there, got a really nice tractor. I need to determine whether those people over there on the bike are part of this area. Got that old Supermax there, look. David Brown Supermax. I don't know if those people there are part of this land here. Shame for this old MGB here. Certainly, damn shame for it. Unreal. Unreal. Let's get out of here, there's nothing here, ladies and gents. Come a very long way for, quite frankly, a load of rubbish. Oh well, what's the saying? You don't know unless you go. So we're certainly going now though. 2 more locations, ladies and gents. So let's get out of here. Just before we go, just spotted a little blue car in the bushes, look. It's an old Maxi, isn't it? Yeah, it's an old Maxi. No way. Oh wow. What a shame. Yeah, she's not going anywhere soon. Certainly not going anywhere soon. Right then, let's get out of here. What a shame for this old girl.